Ever wondered if you could build your own AI trading agent without writing a single line of code? Well, you can. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how to do it, step by step, using tools anyone can set up in just a few minutes. This is FinTech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and deploy the smartest ways to automate your trading. If you're into bots, AI, and real no-code strategies that work, make sure you hit subscribe. Alright, here's how you can build an AI-powered stock or crypto bot today. No coding needed. You'll only need 4 simple tools. A workflow automation platform like Zapier. This connects everything and moves data between your apps. A real-time technical analysis API like tapi.io to pull live indicators like RSI or MACD for any stock or crypto pair. An AI decision maker, for example, ChatGPT to decide whether to buy, sell, or hold based on the data. And a brokerage account with API access like Alpaca to execute your trades automatically. Pro tip, always start with paper trading to test safely. Okay, here's how you wire it together. First, set up your automation tool to check your chosen indicator. For example, you might grab the RSI for Tesla every 2 minutes. Next, send that live data to your AI and prompt it with crystal clear instructions like, "You are an expert trader. Based on this RSI value, should we buy, sell, or do nothing?" Then, the workflow checks the AI's reply. If it says buy, the bot places a buy order. If it says sell, it places a sell order. If it says do nothing, it just waits for the next check. And that's it. The whole thing runs automatically while you do, honestly, literally anything else. When tested, this kind of bot does place real trades, at least in your paper account. You'll catch some nice entries. You'll also see some losses. Remember, markets are unpredictable, and no AI is perfect yet. So, watch performance, fine-tune your prompts, and adjust risk levels. Use clear risk rules, stop-loss logic, position sizing, if your tool supports it. Be specific in your AI prompts. The clearer your instructions, the smarter your trades. Start with paper trading. Test thoroughly before you flip the switch with real money. This setup shows you don't need to be a coder to test AI and automation for live trading. It's a powerful experiment. Just remember, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and never trade more than you're prepared to lose. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever built a no-code trading bot like this? Planning to try it? Drop your questions and results in the comments. Let's share what works and what flops. And before you go live, make sure you run your trade logs through our free AI bot trade analyzer at fintechbotfocus.com. It breaks down your bot's performance, highlights risky patterns, and gives you AI-driven tips to sharpen your strategy. Links in the description. If you found this helpful, hit that like, and subscribe for more practical step-by-step breakdowns on bots, AI, and the future of trading smart. Catch you in the next one.